So basically, you can just be as simple as "Will piano got" if you want to get off really easy. Do you have a pen, and you can answer back. Or if you want to vary it, you can say "Unrev, did you have?" And you can put on a word like "Inye" today, or "Inye" yesterday, or "Imagine" in the morning. Rare last night, so you can vary it a little bit, okay? But basically, what I'd like to do is to try to just ask a question in will or unrev, okay? And you can use one of these words, or you can use any of the words we've used in the past, okay? So basically asking, do you have, did you have? Okay? So I'll start off by asking Margit one. So, Margit, unrev kupante agat inyo. So on Rev, was there kupante, a cup of tea? Agat inyo, did you have a cup of tea today?
Nirev.
Nirev, okay.
If I wanted to continue, do I just say Nirev kupante?
Nirev kupante agam, yeah. Or you can say vi kupan cafe agam. Or you can say Nirev kupante agam, vi kupan cafe agam. So you can, however much you want to put onto it.
Okay.
But yeah.
Nirev kupante agam.
Okay. And so Eskar.
What's the difference between you had it at you and you drank it? I mean, I know what the difference is, but do they always just assume you drank it?
If you're talking about a cup of tea, it's pretty much assumed that you were going to, the purpose was drinking it, yeah. You know, if you each had to bring something to show off, and, you know, and one of you brought a bottle of beer and the other brought a wine, and it was, you know.
What's the question you're always asking in that forum? Did you drink a couple of
Yeah, and I think, I mean, you use like the expression, and may kupantega, we have a cup of tea. I don't know if that's really coming from English or not. It might be a recent borrowing into Irish, or maybe it's, you know, because it's kind of a way you say it in English
you
also.
Say on Rev Dole, on Rev Kupante.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Did you drink some tea?
Or old too, kupante. Yeah. That'd be different. So
But it's more normal just to say.
you use both of them. Yeah.
Can you say dole or near ol?
Yeah, dole or near ol if you wanted to answer the question, or ol to kupante. Okay. So to ask Garth a question.
Me?
Yeah.
Unrev pian lui et Garth?
or Agat. Yeah.
Agat?
Yeah. And you can ask questions about other people if you want to, I guess. But. V. Okay, yeah. So on Rev Pian Lui Agat, did you have a pencil? V. Did. Okay.
And you.
So you would say V, then V. Maybe.
Yeah. Huh?
Pian Lui Agat?
V Pian Lui. What do you want to say? I had one?
Yes, I have a.
V, or I had. V.
Oh, I had
V
V.
Pian Lui Agam.
Oh,
Ach, char me, but I lost it. Or ach, rish me, but I broke it. Yeah. Ach, chik me wadre, but my dog ate it. Okay. You know. Okay. So go ahead and ask Kelly one.
And will in Ishkaga in you?
Yeah. Or Nish, maybe, yeah.
Ta.
Ta. Okay. Yeah, and if you're saying in you, you're probably going to use unrev in that case, because you're going to say, did you have one? As opposed to a will, a ish, you can use.
Okay.
Yeah, an ish would be. Yeah, an ish
What
would be
did I
now.
say then?
Huh?
What did I say?
You said unwill glinishka got the new. So do you have a glass of water today?
Okay.
But yeah, you would want to use unrev if you're going to, because if you're saying the new, you probably mean in the past.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, or using may, what would it be? Okay, that's probably one.
Sorry, I don't know your name.
A folium on your dress, right?
A folium.
Yeah.
Unrev Glystrofina. Okay.
Glidna.
V.
Okay, and then you could answer more if you wanted to. You can say V, I guess Vishikahal, and it was delicious, or I guess Tamar Mishkanish, and I'm drunk, or you know, whatever. I guess Hanig Tirshawar, or whatever, and great tiredness came on me, or something, you know. So that's what you would say if you wanted to carry on a conversation. But Okay, go ahead and ask Matthew one.
Okay. On Rev, Pian Louis, a Padrigi.
Okay, so Rev Pion Louis Eg Paragin. So did Patrice have a pencil? Or Ni Rev. Ni Rev. Ni Rev, yeah. Yeah. Okay. And so your answers are going to kind of go with the little bundle, those 3 little boxes I have on there. That Ta and Neil are going to go for a question like unwell. And V and Nirev is going to go for a question like unrev. And then Ve or Nive will be for unmay. Okay. So I had an ask Kathleen one.
Samuel, Glenna Ishki, what's yesterday?
Oh, Inye.
Inye.
So unrev Glena Ishka.
Anrev, Glenna Ishki, Inye.
I got Inye. Yeah.
Got Inye.
Todd.
Or V. V.
Oh,
And
oh,
Rev,
yes,
yeah.
sorry. V Ishka Agam,
Mm-hmm.
Inye.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. V Glena Ishka Gaminye. Yes, I had a glass of water yesterday. Or you could say V Glena Ishka Gaminye. I had a glass of water yesterday morning. Or, okay. It's like what you would do.
Imagine comes first, imagining.
Yeah, imagine you this morning. Yeah, and that's what you would do, that's how you expound. Pretty much the same types of, obviously the same things you would say in English as in Irish. Yeah, carry on a conversation. Okay, so, Kathleen, why don't I ask Kevin one?
Chwivin.
Chwivin.
And then if you say Chwivin, is that
Chwivin, yeah.
Chwivin?
Same again.
Chwivin, on the Joch Abbott.
Bay.
Bay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bay.
Yeah,
I
and
would just say, on Will Joch.
oh, well, Joch, do you have a?
No, wait, will you?
Yeah, Bay, May, yeah, you
May,
said
will
it.
you?
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
you said. And May Joch, will you have a drink?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Bay.
And then you could carry on. You could say Bay
Bay.
Glenafina Gama have a glass of wine, or Bay Pintabiorach Gama have a
Somalian.
wine.
What was it? Glass of wine?
Yeah, or Bawalyom, Bawalyom.
Mawalian.
Or if she's handing you a glass of wine, you might say Bawalyom Glenafina. Yeah, I'd love a
He
glass of
gets
wine.
a choice. He gets
Mawalian Glenafina.
Yeah.
Bay, Mawalian Glenafina.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and this is one case, you might get to a bar there where they speak Irish and they're giving you a discount if you can order it in Irish, so this might be useful. So,
But would you want the wine?
yeah, right, Pinta Biorach or Pinta Guinness. Okay. But you can use Bay Pinta Guinness Agam, I'll have a pint of Guinness, or Bawalium Pinta Guinness, I would like a pint of Guinness, or Bavaralium Pinta Guinness, I'd love a pint of Guinness. Okay. All right. Go ahead and ask Patrice one. Or Vivian.
Easy.
A May Coupon Cafe.
May Coupon Cafe. Do you want to ask? Does she have? Will she have a cup?
Will she have
A May Coupon Cafe. A gut.
Agat.
Anish. Yeah. So will you have a cup of coffee now? Nive. Go to Mahagat. No, thank you. All right.
I do have a question on the placement of more, so I'll just say it and then you can tell me.
Okay.
On Rev, Glenn, Fina, Moore, large.
Yeah, I would say Glenna Ward Fiona.
Glenna Moore, Fina.
Yeah.
So good place with a glass rather than the wine.
Yes, a large glass of wine, or
Okay.
the glass large of wine, Glenna Ward Fiona. Uh-huh.
And a question, could you also say when I said An May Coupon Cafe Egdol Agat? Egdol
What do you mean?
Inish.
Did you
Egdol Inish?
Cup
No.
of tea,
Oh,
cup of coffee.
Egdol Inish, but you would say Agat Inish.
I got, yeah.
Finish.
Yeah, you want to say, are you drinking one now? Yeah, that changes a bit. Yeah.
I see.
Okay. So